she's signed for the depths.
It's an underwater walking experience. You don't have to know how to swim. And you will be provided with an unlimited oxygen supply through this helmet. So you will be breathing as normally when you are breathing outside the water.
Guys, she's signed for the depths. That's certificate.
Location we finished.
Antarctic only.
Oh, you went to Antarctica?
Yeah.
How was it?
Oh, it's too cool.
That's good. It's 1 degree.
SeaVenture Underwater Walking is totally safe and unforgettable. Special thanks for the immersion crew for being so friendly and supportive. Packages start 245 dirhams.
We wait for the colleague to come for you.
Okay.
Hi.
I don't know, they have my sizes.
Yeah, they should. They will definitely.
It's 2XL.
2XL. But you need to change. You can bring me back
Okay.
and change the size.
Adi Petharan, me Petharan.
Clean, verified.
to know how to swim, you can just walk through a railed area and you are gonna go 9 meters deep in water. But all the time throughout the experience, the dive instructors will be with you, so you can communicate with them if you have any kind of discomfort, or if you want to stay somewhere for some time and stuff like that. So in order to talk to the dive instructors, we cannot talk normally underwater, right?
Yeah.
So we do teach you guys some basic hand gestures that you can use underwater. So when we go upstairs and you get dressed and you're ready for the encounter, I would be playing an orientation video. So make sure that you watch the orientation video very carefully, because that video contains the hand gestures.
Okay.
Okay, so try to memorize it. These are just basic things like okay, not okay kind of things. So you will get to learn all of those from the orientation video, and then when the dive instructor comes, if you have any sort of doubts regarding the instructions or these gestures, you can ask them as well. The helmet actually weighs about 35 kilograms outside water, but when you go underwater, it is only 6 kilograms. So you will not feel that weight on your shoulders or anything. It will be just resting on your shoulders. And you will be provided with an unlimited oxygen supply through this helmet. So you will be breathing as normally when you are breathing outside the water, when you are in the water as well. One thing that you might experience is the pressure variation when you go underwater. So in the video, it is also covered on how to balance that pressure variation and how you can tackle it underwater. Okay. Another thing is what you get when you go upstairs to get ready for your experience. So you will be provided with a wetsuit, you will be provided with socks and towel and wristbands to access your locker. So in order to access your locker, you can just tap it on the sensor, it will open, and then keep all your belongings there. Close, tap again, it will close. Okay. And as for the wetsuit, has anybody wear a wetsuit before?
No. First time.
Okay, it's the first time. So for the wetsuit, first put on your sock. Okay. And say how to put on the wetsuit. Like just put on your legs first, then pull your arms inside, and then do this. It will go automatically on it. Most probably you will be able to do it yourself because we have a string attached on the zipper. So you just pull on the string and pull it up. Okay. You can also put your hair up like this, because if it goes down to the helmet, it will get wet. So better just put it up.
Okay.
And then the water level when you are under the water for the helmet will be only till your chin. So when you are underwater and you need to look something, or you need to turn your head and look on your sides or anything, you can just turn your whole body to the side. Don't turn like this because it will blur your vision through the helmet. Okay? Because the helmets have curved sides, so you will not be able to see properly. Better turn like this.
We need to move the body.
Full body.
Yes, the full body. And then never look on your feet or down, because if you do that, the water level will go above your chin level, and that will cause water to go inside your nose and stuff like that. So never do that. Just always stay straight and move. Other things, the dive instructor will give you the guidelines of what to do and what not to do. And another important thing is about photography. So your phones and unfortunately your camera is not allowed, but we do have provision to rent a GoPro, and you can take it with you when you go underwater.
Okay.
Renting a GoPro is free, but if you need the footage and you like the footage when you come upstairs that you shot, you can just pay the photographers and you can take.
How much will we have to pay?
You will have to ask the photographer team, sir. I am not sure about their package. You can talk to them and they will tell you.
Okay.
They will be there to assist you in all of those things. And as per the photography, we have the photographer, so he will be taking pictures of you from outside. There is an area where he can see you. So he will take your pictures. Even if you like the pictures, you can also purchase it.
Hello guys, thanks for watching. Please subscribe and please keep the comment below.